Hey, Phil here. Thank you so much for enrolling in this class. Will, Sam, and I are so excited to have you here and to teach you how to make better videos. In this video, we're going to be explaining exactly who this course is for and what the structure of the course is, so you're ready to get going. This course was made for complete video beginners. Maybe you're someone who has never made a video before, but you have a smartphone or a webcam and you need or want to make videos. Or maybe you've made some videos, but you want to make them look better, to make them more professional.
So this class is for vloggers, bloggers, YouTubers. Maybe you work at a company and they're asking you to make a video for them. Maybe you're an aspiring filmmaker and just want to make your own video content. This class is really just to teach the basics of video production.
Number one, you'll learn how to come up with great video ideas and then create a plan so you can make those videos come to life.
Number two, we'll tell you about the equipment that we recommend the most, but also we're going to teach you how to make great videos with the equipment that you already own.
Number three, you'll learn to shoot with any camera.
Number four, you'll learn how to record great audio in any environment with different types of microphones.
Make your videos better with professional lighting techniques. Even learn how to use DIY lights.
Number six, learn to edit videos. Make your videos more engaging no matter what application you use.
Number seven, someone needs to see your video, right? Learn how and where to grow your audience with distribution.
We're a group of professional filmmakers that have had hits on the big screen and viral videos on YouTube.
I'm Phil and I'm a professional video editor and motion graphics artist, and my real passion though is about making documentaries.
Hey, I'm Will. I'm a professional cinematographer, photographer, and director. Currently, I'm working on anything from a YouTube video all the way into indie, low-budget features.
Hi, my name's Sam. I'm a director, documentarian, cinematographer, and I work out of Los Angeles in the film industry, but really I've used video to travel the world.
We've come together to show you the essentials on how to make great videos. You shall not pass.